Matrix multiplication is defined only it satisfies certain conditions for two matrices. Suppose A is a matrix of order m by n and B is a matrix of order n by p. What is the speciality here? You can just notice regarding the order of the matrices. The first matrix, the number of columns is n, and for the second matrix, the number of rows is n. If the number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B, then only A into B is defined, and it is written like this AB. There is no physical, we cannot see any operation here between A and B, but it is understood that it is a matrix multiplication. A into B is defined, and A into B will be a matrix. Any matrix will get some element, it will be of order M by P. That means what happens here is this N is being absorbed. So the product matrix will be of order M by P. The product matrix will be of order M by P. Is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the order of this matrix? 2 by 3. Number of rows you will count. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. The next B equal to another matrix which should be of order. Just to see here, this it should start with 3. When the first matrix has got 3 columns, the second matrix should have the number of rows equal to 3. So 3 by, for example, if I am taking a 3 by 2 matrix, matrix multiplication can be defined. So 3 by 2 I am taking, okay? 3 by 2. Then the product matrix AB. What will be the order of the product matrix? This 3 will get absorbed. Then the product matrix will be of order 2 by 2. So there will be 2 rows and 2 columns. The product matrix will be of order 2 by 2. And how to get is, you have to take the first row of the first matrix, multiply with the first column of the second matrix. And how do you, what I mean by multiplication? 1, 2, 3 is the row of the first matrix, and 1, 2, 4 is the first column of the second matrix. You always remember or learn that from the first matrix we consider the rows. From the first matrix we consider the rows, and from the second matrix we consider the columns. So what I did is, first row I have taken, and I am taking first row from the first matrix and the first column from the second matrix. Now you have to multiply it and add it. What do you mean by multiplication of this is, 1 will be multiplied with 1 plus 2 is multiplied with 2 and 3 is multiplied with 4. So what I am doing is, see here, the first row 1, 2, 3, I am going to multiply with this 1, 2, 4. So 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2, 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4. This is a way we multiply a row with a column. Okay. Now next is what? This first row again you have to multiply with, the second column also. Second column is your minus 1, 3, 1. So first row, this is your first row. I'm going to multiply with the second column. So 1 into minus 1. 1 into this minus 1 plus 2 into this 3. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. the corresponding elements you multiply. This is a procedure. Now, first row's roll is over. Again, you take the second row from the first matrix. Second row, what is the second row here? It is 4, 5, 6. Now the second row you give to the first column and second column of the second matrix. 4, 5, 6. This 4, 5, 6, first I will multiply with the first column. That will be what? 4 into the first column, 4 into 1 plus 5 into 2, 5 into 2 plus 6 into 4. Okay. Again the first column, first row, you will multiply with the, so 4 into minus 1 plus 5 into 3 plus 6 into 1. So this is a matrix multiplication. So you'll get 1 plus 4 plus 12. Here 4 plus 10 plus 24. Here minus 1 plus 6 plus 3. Here minus 4 plus 15 plus 6. You can see that the first matrix is of which order? 3 by 3. Second also 3 by 3. So what will be absorbed is this one. ये दोनों absorb होकर you will be getting the product matrix again of order 3 by 3. So from the first matrix, you will be taking the rows, and the first row you give to all the columns of the second matrix. Again you take second row, give to every column of the second matrix. Again you take third row, give to every column of the second matrix. This is a procedure. So the thing is that I and hand column you will get 2 into 1 plus 3 into 0 plus 4 into 3. First row is multiplied with first column. Okay. Now first row will multiply with the second column. It is 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 2 plus 4 into 0. Then one more is there. That is the third column. Third column का answer क्या आएगा? 2 into 5. That is 10 plus 3 into 4. 12. 12 plus 10. 22. 22 plus 20. That is 42. Right? Correct? Again, we'll do the second row with first column. So it is second row. That is 3, 4, 5. Going to the first column. That is 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 5 into 3. Again, second row with the second column. That is 3 into minus 3 plus 4 into 2 plus 5 into 0. And the last one, I don't have the space to write. So directly I'm multiplying and writing 3 into 5, that is 15 plus 4 into 4, 16 plus 5 into 5, 25. How much it is coming?
56.
25. 56. Next, third row with the first column. Third row with first column. So you'll get 4 into 1 plus 5 into 0 plus 6 into 3. Again, third row with the second column. That is 4 into minus 3 plus 5 into 2 plus 6 into 0. The last one answer is 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 30, 70, right? So this answer you find out. Write the question. You can see here, children, this is a matrix equation. You have studied in the earlier class algebraic equation, right? In algebraic equation, see, suppose we have x minus y is equal to 2 and x plus y equal to 8. How do we find the value of x and y for an algebraic equation? You have many techniques. That is, one is substitution method, another is elimination method. So the same technique you can apply here. Instead of x and y, the variable here, we have the variable matrix xy. X and y represent a matrix. That's the only difference here. So the same manner as that what we considered in algebraic equation, you are adding the two. Adding, you will get what 2x equal to 10 and x is equal to 5. This is a technique we are using in algebraic equation. The same method we can apply here. You are asked to find x and y, where x and y is the matrix of the order of that of the given matrices. Okay, so to get the value, you will add. To get the value of x and y, you will add. Adding the two matrix equation. Adding the two equation means both the side you have to add. So left hand side when you add, what you will get? X plus y plus x minus y. It becomes 2x. 2x equal to right hand side when you add, you are adding the two matrices. Right? 7 0 2 5 plus 3 0 0 3. You are adding the two matrices. You will get the answer. Corresponding elements you have to add, that is 7 plus 3 10, 0 plus 0, 2 plus 0 and 5 plus 3. This is, got this. Now to get the value of x, what you have to do? You multiply both sides by 1 by 2 or divide by 2. Divide by 2 means it is 1 by 2 of 10 0 2 8. This is nothing but your scalar multiplication. And scalar multiplication, just today only we learned that every element you have to multiply with a number outside. That means every element you will be multiplying with 1 by 2. So you will get 5, 0, 1, 4. So this is the value of x. You can notice that x is a matrix of order, square matrix of order 2 by 2. Now to get y, you just like in the algebraic equation, you substitute in this equation. So what will be y? So y equal to the first equation, if you are substituting, y equal to the 7025 minus x. 7025 minus x, right? Copy correctly, Amira. And that will be 7025 minus x is 5014. So this is subtraction. The corresponding element you have to subtract 7 5, that is 2, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, that is 0, 2 minus 1, 1, 5 minus 4, 1. This is the answer. So we got the value of x and y. Okay, the next question. Question number 2. 2x plus 3y equal to 2x plus 3y equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. And next is 3x plus 2y. 2x plus 3y equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1, 5. Find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. Got 2x plus 3y equal to 5 and 3x plus 2y equal to 8. How you would have done? By using elimination method, you have to make the coefficient of x or y same. Or if I'm concentrating on this, the coefficient of x and y you make it same by taking LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So you decide that the first matrix, first equation you multiply by 3 to make this 6. And to make this 3 6 you multiply by 2. So it's got 3 से multiply and y we have the matrix. It's the only difference. The procedure is the same. So the first matrix I'm multiplying by the first, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Equation number 1 I'm multiplying by which number? 3. Equation number 2 I'm multiplying by 2. My purpose is to make this 2 as 6 and to make this 3 as 6. So this implies the first one we are multiplying by 3. So we'll get what? 6x 2 into 3, that is 6. Matrix also have to multiply by 3. A matrix is multiplied by a number means it is a scalar multiplication. So every element you will multiply by 3. So we'll get 6, 9, 12, 0. Correct? Or writing this by 2, you will get 6x plus multiply by 2. Now, elimination method के लिए we have to subtract. Subtracting 6x minus 6x cancel, 9y minus 4y, that is 5y equal to right hand side matrices also is subtract. So the corresponding elements will subtract 6 minus 4. So now we have to find y. So therefore what is y is 1 by 5 of 2, 13, 14 minus 10. And that is equal to 1 by 5 of means it's a scalar multiplication. So every element of the matrix, so you'll get 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, minus 10 by 5 or it is 2. Now how to get x? Putting in first equation. The first equation implies that we want x known. So 2x is equal to 2, 3. Okay. So that what you get? 2, 3, 4, 0. Y is 6 by 5 because every element to be multiplied by 3 here. Okay. So this one into 3, that is 6 by 5. This y into 3, that is 39 by 5. Then 14 by 5 into 3, 42 by 5 minus 6. Now you have to subtract. Everywhere 5 is there, so here it is 2 minus 6 by 5, 3 minus 39. Find x and y. If this is also a different type of matrix equation, and within the matrix there are some variables, and that variables you have to find out. That is, we have to find out this x and y. So this operations on the matrices you do it properly and then equate the matrices. So here 2 into, that means a scalar multiplication. So every element you will multiply with 2. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 3, that is 6, So adding, here now you will do the operation of addition. So what you will get? 2 plus y, the corresponding elements only you have to add. 2 plus y, 6 plus 0, that is 6. Then 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2, this is equal to 5, 6, 1, 8. Now comes the equality of two matrices. The two matrices are equal if the corresponding elements are the same. Means 2 plus y must be equal to 5. 2 plus y must be equal to 5. And similarly, this 2x plus 2 must be equal to 2. This only required. The other two are already mere number. So from here you will get the value of y equal to 3. And from here you will get the value of x as also 3. So the value of x and y is obtained.